Hi, my name is Dale Ryder, and I am a licensed clinical social worker and a Reiki energy worker for the New Beginning Center. So, part of my job there is to provide family therapy for some of the participants. And in doing that, I work with releasing old snapshots that we have of each other as family members, and we begin to sort of act out of those snapshots with each other rather than being present. So we work to sort of unpack that in the family sessions and come to a place of new communication and entering into what I call a new dance with each other. So that's the kind of the format for the family work that we do, and it's done in a very healing way, and a holding space for all family members, because all family members need to have their needs met, not just the individual that's coming into treatment. And I also provide Reiki release of old traumas, of those snapshots that I talked about. And that is through an energy healing space. And that can be done at the center with hands-on, or it can be done virtually, which this is that space that we're in right now. So would love to meet you all and share with you and assist in any way I can in healing the family patterns that no longer serve. And that's really the work that I find really close to my heart, is releasing generational patterns. So when we step into this work, we heal for 7 generations ahead and 7 generations behind, and also the Reiki work. So just really honor the process that you all are in by stepping into a healing process for yourselves. It's not an easy place to go. And so I honor you in taking that leap for yourselves. It's a beautiful space to be in, and would love to share with you all. So thank you so much. So nice to meet all of you, and looking forward to working with you in the future.